Alright, hey guys, how are you guys doing today? My name is Aaron Ramirez. Thank you guys so much for catching today's video. Now, towards the start of my channel, I always talked about minimalism in fashion because I personally believed that it looked the best. And the reason for that was because it was so affordable and it just proved that you don't need a whole lot of money to look good. I did stray away from it for a little bit, but I started coming back to the realization that I don't need to spend a lot of money on clothes, that the simple stuff look the best. So for today's video, I thought it'd be really fun to share with you guys the top 10 things that every minimalist is going to need. It's more of the fashion essentials for minimal. So the number one thing I could tell you to get is a denim jacket, and the reason for that is because denim jackets are so versatile. They literally go with everything, especially now since it's fall. You're really gonna need one. So yeah, definitely pick up one. It doesn't have to be too expensive. If you want to invest in a really good one, Levi's is gonna be the way to go. However, you can get some really cool ones. I literally got one from Target that was only 40 bucks and it looks really good. Number two on the list is going to be a pair of black jeans. The reason for that is because black jeans go with everything. I'm not talking about faded jeans. I'm talking about a solid pair of black jeans that are really good fitted. They work great with practically anything. Great places to get this include like Hollister, H&M if you guys are on a budget, or you guys can get some really good ones, like I said, Levi's. They last a very, very long time. If you're into that skinny fit, Paxton will be a really good option as well, and so forth. Number three, neutral colored tees. I'm talking just plain t-shirts. The top three are obviously going to be black, gray, and white, but also get some other ones like tan, maybe olive, navy for sure. Just really versatile colors that work good with anything. Number four, a pair of white sneakers. I know New Republic sells some for $95 that are completely leather. If you do have a lot more money and you want to invest in a good piece, Anacari Flores, I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. Adidas Stan Smiths is also a really good bet. And if you're not into that whole like expensive pair of sneakers, you can pick up a pair of like 20 bucks. It's obviously not going to be real leather, but they do look like leather, from H&M or ASOS. Number five, accessories. Like I said, minimalism. The outfits aren't too flashy, so in order to step it up, accessories are gonna be the way to go. So it's gonna be watches, rings, necklaces, anything like that. Really cool places to get watches are like Pincero, Movement, Timex is also a really good place. Number six, Oxford shirts. These look great, especially if you're like a teen. There's not too many dudes who are gonna be wearing Oxford shirts, so definitely pick up one. It looks great. I love getting some from Hollister, H&M. You get the point. Number seven is gonna be hoodie. Like I said, fall is already here, so for these colder times, a hoodie is gonna be great. And if you want to layer up, a denim jacket over a hoodie looks awesome. You guys can do that. So essential ones are going to be black, gray, navy, and then once you have those, you can start experimenting. Number eight is going to be crew neck sweatshirts or pullover shirts or whatever you call them. They look absolutely incredible. This fall season, I'm definitely going to be picking up a lot of these. The two best colors are going to be navy and gray, but you could also experiment with other colors, especially ones that look really good with your skin type or maybe color blocking. Number nine is one that I'm wearing right now, a Henley. I got this one from Hollister, but there's other places that sells really cool ones. Just experiment. Make sure it's a good fitting one so that way it looks great. Number 10, a hat slash beanie. Depending on what season you are, a hat is going to save you from doing your hair in like the hotter times like summer or spring. And a beanie is going to save your life during winter and fall. You don't have to go crazy. This one right here is probably my favorite hat and it's literally only like 20 bucks. So yeah, it doesn't have to be anything crazy, just experiment. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to leave a like. If this helped you out and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.